Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions, but deep research among the vast amount of online information, synthesizing it into a detailed, well-cited report just like a professional research analyst. Yes, this is the world of OpenAI's Deep Research Agent that was introduced by OpenAI on February 2, 2025. By the end of this video, you'll understand what deep research is, why it was built, how it works, its limitations, and what this means for the future of AI. So stick around to see what makes this tool a stunning step toward AGI. By the way, there is a surprise at the end of the video, and I'll share a funny catch I noticed during the introduction that no one else realized so far. Welcome to AI Handbook, the ultimate guide to everything artificial intelligence. Don't forget that your subscription or like helps your stickman friend explore even more about the amazing world of AI. Let's get started. Deep Research is OpenAI's latest innovation powered by a version of the upcoming OpenAI o3 model that's optimized for web browsing and data analysis, not o3 Mini. It is a specialized agent designed to tackle complex, multi-step research tasks. It uses advanced reasoning to synthesize large amounts of online information and autonomously complete multi-step research tasks for you. Amazing indeed! Unlike traditional AI tools that provide quick answers, this agent takes its time around 5 to 30 minutes, analyzing and synthesizing information from diverse sources to produce comprehensive reports. Think of it as your personal research assistant, capable of working autonomously to deliver insights that would take hours for a human to compile. From academic studies to market analysis, and even consumer decision-making, Deep Research is built to handle it all. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding it, connecting the dots, and presenting it in a way that's actionable. In today's information age, the challenge isn't access to data, it's making sense of it. OpenAI recognized this gap and built Deep Research to empower knowledge workers across fields like finance, science, and engineering. Whether you're analyzing market trends, conducting academic research, or even deciding which car to buy, this tool is designed to save time and enhance accuracy. The ability to synthesize knowledge is a prerequisite for creating new knowledge. This is one of the reasons Deep Research marks a significant step toward our broader goal of developing AGI. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, described it as a tool for intensive knowledge work, aiming to democratize access to high-quality research capabilities. Here's how it works. Basically, you start by selecting Deep Research in the ChatGPT interface. Enter your query, whether it's a question, a topic, or even a file like a spreadsheet or PDF. The agent then autonomously plans and executes a multi-step research process. It browses the web, analyzes data, and synthesizes findings into a detailed report. Deep Research may take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to complete its work, taking the time needed to dive deep into the web. In the meantime, you can step away or work on other tasks. You'll get a notification once the research is complete. For instance, let me show you a quick peek from the Deep Research introduction video, where it requests a deep search to buy skis. Normally, you'd first need to figure out what factors to consider and then check multiple websites to decide what to buy, which is a very long process.
We're here in Japan, and I've heard the skiing is pretty good this time of year, but we planned this trip a little bit last minute, so I didn't actually bring my skis, and I'm wondering if I can actually maybe just buy some skis and take a little bit of a ski vacation at the end of this. So I want to buy some skis for skiing in Japan, and one thing I like to do also is specify how Deep Research can format the output. So format this as a report with a nice table at the end. And just like in Neil's example, this is going to come back with some questions that I can choose to answer or not answer. So I'll say advanced skier, all mountain, but powder sometimes. I've heard that powder is pretty good here. Hopefully we'll get lucky later this week. I'm tall, so need long skis. And let's do something more fun, like maybe, I guess it'd be really cool to have like a nice color palette. So how about something with nice color palette. And so I'll kick this off, and just like in Neil's example, Deep Research will go off and do a bunch of research on different websites on the internet, and hopefully come back with some good recommendations. So scrolling up here, what I like about this is, wow, this did a lot of research. This is the kind of thing that I would probably have to spend all afternoon just for my own sanity to make a good purchase, to read every single thing that's written about it. But this does a pretty good job of actually just doing hitting all the sites that I would hit and consolidating this all in a format that's a lot easier to digest than doing my own searches. And it also provides a table at the bottom here that just gives kind of the high-level comparison across the specific things that I mentioned that I wanted for this purchase.
Let's stop the video for a sec and show you the funny catch I mentioned in the beginning of the video. One thing they didn't show us among the chat history I really wanted to see the answer is DeepSeeker a good name? I'm not sure whether it's just a message to DeepSeek by saying, we go deeper than you can imagine, or just making fun of DeepSeek. Did you realize this before? Let me know in the comment below. Let's keep going.
I find that Deep Research works really well if you're very, very specific about the type of answer that you're looking for, both in terms of what information that you want, what comparisons you want to see, and anything about the format that you want the final output in, because the model is able to take all of those things into consideration and think about them all as it does its searches and puts together its final report. So this sort of passes the sniff test for me, because the top recommendation here is actually the skis that I own at home, which is kind of cool. So love that. I'll take a closer look at this and maybe plan a little bit of a ski trip after this.
The magic lies in its O3 reasoning model, optimized for web browsing and data analysis. This model uses reinforcement learning to adapt its search strategy in real time, ensuring it focuses on the most relevant information. It even cites its sources, making it easy to verify the results. In fact, Deep Research achieved a 26.6% accuracy on Humanity's last exam. This test consists of over 3,000 multiple-choice and short-answer questions across more than 100 subjects, from linguistics to rocket science, classics to ecology. This is a significant leap compared to other models like GPT-4o, which scored just only 3.3%, DeepSeek-R1 scored 9.4%, and Grok 2 scored 3.8%. In the latest General AI Assessment test, OpenAI's Deep Research Agent achieved impressive results. It demonstrated advanced reasoning capabilities, successfully completing multi-step research tasks with high accuracy and efficiency. For example, it was able to synthesize information from multiple sources to provide a detailed analysis on topics like climate change policy and market trends, tasks that typically require human expertise. The General AI Assessment test is designed to push AI systems to their limits, assessing how well they can handle complex, multi-step tasks that go beyond simple question-and-answer interactions. It's a benchmark for understanding how close we are to achieving AGI. On expert-level tasks, Deep Research was rated by domain experts to have automated multiple hours of difficult, manual investigation. The results tell us that the more the model browses and thinks about what it's browsing, the better it does, which is why giving it time to think is important at this stage of the model. Of course, no tool is perfect, and Deep Research is no exception. While it excels in synthesizing information, it's not immune to errors. OpenAI acknowledges that the agent can sometimes hallucinate, a term for generating incorrect or fabricated information. It may also struggle to distinguish authoritative sources from rumors and occasionally make formatting errors in its reports. We can say key limitations are prone to hallucinations, difficulty with source credibility, and formatting errors. These limitations highlight the importance of human oversight. While Deep Research can significantly reduce the workload, it's not a substitute for critical thinking and verification at the moment. So, what's next for Deep Research? OpenAI has big plans. Future updates will include embedded images, data visualizations, and even integration with specialized data sources like subscription-based platforms. Mobile and desktop app compatibility is also on the horizon, making the tool even more accessible. OpenAI is also exploring ways to make the tool faster, which is really needed for next stages, I believe, and more cost-effective, aiming to expand its availability beyond pro users to a broader audience. Deep research is more than just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of AI-powered knowledge work, and a stunning step toward AGI. Whether you're a professional, a student, or just someone curious about the world, this agent has the potential to transform how we approach research. But what do you think? Is this the future of AI, or are there still hurdles to overcome? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI. And if you're ready to explore deep research yourself, check out the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.